You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names correctly. I hear too many mispronunciations out there, so make sure to stay tuned if you want to learn more confusing names pronounced. It's of Scandinavian origin with connections to Yiddish, French and Latin, pronounced in English simply Rayne. Yes, indeed, just like rain, spelling R-A-I-N. How to pronounce? Not rainy, rainy, rain. And now you know. Do you pronounce it any other ways? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.